Welcome to this video on building a successful career in SAP Sales and Distribution, right here in Chicago. We will explore how mastering this essential system can open doors to new professional opportunities. Global businesses are rapidly migrating to SAP S/4HANA, creating a surge in demand for qualified experts. SAP SD remains the essential revenue engine across industries like manufacturing, retail, and logistics, making specialized skills more valuable than ever. What is SAP SD? It is the digital order-to-cash pipeline. This core module manages the entire sales lifecycle, from initial customer inquiries and quotations to sales orders, final fulfillment, and billing, ensuring total business efficiency. Think of SAP SD as the central nervous system of enterprise revenue. It connects customer actions with other critical modules, including materials management, warehouse management, production planning, and finance, ensuring seamless integration across all business operations. Why train in Chicago? The city offers the ultimate commercial sandbox. With a dense concentration of multinational companies and top-tier logistics hubs, it is the perfect environment to gain real-world experience through flexible, expert-led instruction. Our curriculum is structured to build knowledge sequentially. You will start with foundational data configuration and progress through transactional execution, eventually mastering the latest S/4HANA platforms and SAP Fiori applications. We move far beyond theory. Through practical exercises and business case studies, you will master the granular flow of SAP processes, including availability checks, delivery processing, credit management, and final output determination in a live environment. Whatever your background, whether you are a recent graduate, a business analyst, or a professional looking to transition careers, this training is designed for you. No extensive coding experience is required, just a basic understanding of business processes. Investing in SAP SD training offers a clear career ROI. You will gain practical business knowledge, secure high-demand career opportunities across multiple sectors, and receive focused preparation to achieve official SAP certification. Our placement flywheel helps bridge the gap to employment. Beyond the curriculum, we provide hands-on server access, live implementation projects, and dedicated support, including mock interviews and resume preparation to ensure you are job-ready. When choosing a training institute, consider the value of practical exposure. Our program provides a comprehensive, premium experience with updated S/4HANA curriculum, live projects, and dedicated career support that standard courses often lack. Take the path forward. Exploit the current migration opportunities, master the order-to-cash curriculum here in Chicago, and launch your career as an SAP consultant. Contact us today to begin your transition.